So I don't know if all of you know, but alright, today's project, a 98 Chevy Malibu that was free. We'll call this the stupid car because it's stupid to even be working on it. And my kids need some gas mileage. They can drive this sucker back and forth to school and not wear out his truck. I gotta put tires on it. They're bald. And then I gotta put a water pump on it because it is leaking out the weep hole. But this happens to be a motor where the water pump runs off the timing chain. So it's gonna be fun. I just assessed all the things that it needs, and it needs everything. It's a piece of junk, but it's good enough to drive to 5 miles to school and back every day and get 40 miles a gallon. Is way better than 6 miles to the gallon. So I'll get after it, back in it. So I got to replace the water pump. Water pump is way, you can't even see it from here. That's where it's at. So I got to take the whole front of this motor off, timing chain out, and put a water pump on it. I put tires on it from last time. Now I'm putting this on it, and then the rack seems to be leaking. So I'm going to end up putting a rack on it. Hopefully I can get 20 or 30,000 miles out of it though. We'll get after it. We got a bunch of little bolts to take in and out of this thing, and I'll get it stripped out. We'll pull it out, have it swapped. Alright, I'm a good hour and 40 minutes into this project. I'll show you what I got going on. This kid decided to come down after school. He's building the monster truck. What are you building exactly?
Trying to build a rock crawler booster thing that does make it have suspension.
Alright, there you have it. He's building that. Hour and 45 minutes. I've got that manifold off, the dipstick out, the belt off, the motor mount. I can see the water pump. That's it right there. I just got to figure out how to get it out of there. Alright, so the reason this took so long because this manifold's been kicking my butt. There was a bolt that was hidden in there, but I got it. Now I got to take all these bolts, pull this cover, pull the the harmonic balancer off, which is down there, that big bolt. And then I can pull the side of the motor off, the timing chain tensioner, pull that off. Then I can pull the water pump out. But it's time to go hunting today. I gotta take the kid hunting. He's got a tag. The bow hunt is almost over. So I'm gonna go ride around, look for deer, watch him pick up arrows. Tomorrow we'll finish this.
This is from
Robert Insco.
We got a radio,
What?
speakers, and a radio.
Are you kidding me?
Thank you, Robert. That will be going in my truck before too long.
Alright, we got ourselves a package here from Grady. This is not for you.
Oh yeah.
No, it's not. You stay out of it.
She made like a little princess book.
Check that out.
Oh, it's like almost apple season here too.
Yeah, it is.
That'll be good dipping.
Those are pretty delicious as in themselves. Now we've got some cups. They handmade these bad boys. They handmade them. They're pretty dang good at it. That's awesome. We got matchers. Ooh, this is see-through.
Woo! People are so awesome.
People are awesome. Oh yeah, they hooked us up. I can't say that I've ever had those, but we're going to.
Oh.
My favorite. My other favorite.
That's my favorite.
No, this is my favorite.
My favorite.
Well, I don't know how you eat boiled peanuts. We're not from the South, so we don't know how to enjoy these. But we're about to figure it all out. That's what YouTube was invented for. Thank you very much. This is awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, I'm back in the shop this morning. I ought to be working on that, but we're going to have a slight detour. And I'm going to work on this. Pretty simple little job here. I'm going to put new jacks on it. These are bent and messed up. As you can see, the brace is pretty cheesy, so we're going to fix that and put some new jacks on it, and then she'll be ready to rock, and I can get back on the stupid car. I forgot to mention, this isn't my camp trailer. This is my buddy's camp trailer. I'm just doing him a solid getting this all fixed up for him. Shouldn't take long. I can have those things fixed in like 15-20 minutes or 3 hours, whichever it happens to be. We'll do it. Alright, this is what they put on it from the factory. this is all bent. And I'm gonna take a piece of 6-inch C-channel, lay it on here, drill these 2 holes. Then it's gonna mount this way on the frame. That'll never bend. I'll put some little angle gussets from here down to it on each side. It'll be good. So the only problem is I don't have any 6-inch C-channel. So we're gonna run up to JD's shop and raid his scrap pile and see what he's got. Look at that. You look good on camera.
No, I don't.
I'm at JD's shop. It's a little hefty for what I'm after. He's got lots of junk like I do, but I'm not seeing anything that exactly what I need here. I dug long enough. I found the piece I was after. Thanks, JD. I'm sure I'll pay you back later. Got her whipped up into shape. It's gonna set right in there like so. I'll just jack that up under the frame, set it in there, and weld it in, then put some gussets on it. This thing ain't going nowhere. Yeah, 15-minute job didn't happen. It's always fun to think of that. It's 3 hours later, but it's handled and it looks good. As soon as it cools off, I'll paint them. That's how they work. Job done. I'll give you the gist of how this works, so you can all see if you haven't ever seen a camper jack. Just like so. They work, and I got them tucked up nice and tight, so he shouldn't rip them off. So good luck, man. Hope they work out for you. Still not working on that car. I found other stuff to do that's more entertaining to me. So I don't know if all of you know, but I quit my job and I'm working in my shop full time now, which is awesome. Thank you a lot, because you guys made this possible. I got stuff everywhere. It's all cluttered up. I'm trying to get organized. My exhaust tubing, just chilling over here in the corner. So right now, I am gonna build a rack for it out of this. It's 3-inch C-channel, and then I'm gonna put it above my table over here. I'll show you. I'm gonna cut 4 pieces, 8 inches long, and then 2 8-footers, and I'll get them welded up, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. It should make it so I can get some pipe out of my way and have a little more organization in here. I just got started on this project, and another project showed up. That's what I'm making. I'll weld them right up in here. They'll make some good shelves for my pipe. Now this, that right there is broken. This is off a trencher. These are some of the boys I used to work with. They're broke down, so I brought it up. I'll weld it up for them and they can go back to work. I got carried away. I got it all V'd out already, squared back up. I forgot to video that. I get working and forget. And my shelf's in. That one's not welded yet, it's just clamped. But I got sidetracked on this other project. I'll get it done and then finish what I was doing there. She's welded back together. This is gonna go in there like so. Well, I can't put anything on the outside because there's another piece that goes here. So it's gotta be on the inside, but as long as it's in there, it's gonna clear. We're gonna cut some pieces out of this, weld them in there, and it should last. All right, we got these made. They're still hot. That's the gist. They'll go on the inside like so and keep that from breaking again. I'll weld them in and they can have it. It's reinforced up. The shaft still moves. So I got it straight, which is a win. They gotta be able to put her together and go back to work. All right, so we're back on the pipe rack project. So that's how that worked out. Now that stuff will be out of my way. Problem solved.
All right, well.
2021 corn going down right here. That's the cobber that I built. Patent pending, of course. Does a pretty fine job.
Cox Family Corn Night coming at ya.
Yep.
We got an assembly line going. We got the shuckers, the cutters, the cobbers, the baggers. Bagging them up so we can enjoy them this winter. Bet you guys didn't know that shop tools came in handy for preserving food.
I made this thing like 5 years ago because I got tired of cutting it off with a knife. It's a piece of stainless steel pipe sharpened up, and then it adjusts to the size of the corn cob.
It gets a little messy.
but
That's why we're doing it outside.
it's way faster. I mean, you can start to finish
Yay, quick.
just like that. All right, working on the stupid car again, and it's still stupid. So I went to pull the dampener off. See that broken off bolt? I just did that. I hate this car. I don't want to work on this car. I'm done with it. There it is. The bolt is out. Now I just gotta get the dampener pulley off, and then I can change this thing. It's gutted, timing marks are marked. So now I just gotta get the timing chain off, and then I can get that thing off. There it is right there, that's the water pump. I'll have her off in a jiff. There's the ugly unit. This is the new half. We'll get it put in. I'll show you the wheat pole. It's right there. It was spewing a little stuff out of it. We'll hurry and swap this, stuff it back in there, go back together, get this car out of our life. We're back in. New water pump in it. It's bolted up. Timing marks are right. So I just got to put her together and it should run. I'm gonna add some water to it and we're gonna see if it leaks. Well, it runs. I didn't ruin it. I think the stupid car is finished. We're gonna take this car for a rip, go see what it'll do. Just in case you were wondering, we did not increase the value of this car. Won't even squill them. Just what you need. Oh, look at all the debris flying out of here. Oh yeah, this steering. Sweet. It's done, so, well, no, it needs power steering pump, but that's all right. You can do that your own self. Better get like 100 miles to the gallon. Stupid car, finished. All right, she's fixed. No major leaks. Everything seems to work properly. Proper enough for what this car is. We got a power steering pump that's not good. We'll have to fix that. But gas mileage, we'll get some mileage out of it. Car's done. Thanks for watching. Those are pretty delicious, really.
Really?
Aw.
Sure.